Mastering emotions. How to use verbs to express feelings in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to express emotions and feelings in English. This is a crucial part of any language learning journey, as emotions and feelings play a significant role in our everyday communication. We will be focusing on verbs that we use to express these emotions. By the end of this video, you should have a wide range of vocabulary to describe feelings and emotions in different situations. Let's get started. To kick things off, let's dive into some common verbs that you can use to express emotions. These are words that you'll often hear in everyday conversations, and being familiar with them can greatly enrich your English language skills. 1. Admire. This verb is used when you respect or look up to someone because of their qualities or achievements. 2. Desire. You use this verb when you want something very strongly. 3. Fear. This verb is used when you are scared of something. 4. Love. This is a very common verb used to express deep affection. 5. Hate. This is a strong verb used when you dislike something or someone intensely. Next, let's look at some verbs that specifically express positive emotions. These can help you convey happiness, satisfaction, and other pleasant feelings. 1. Enjoy. This verb is used when you take pleasure in something. 2. Appreciate. You use this verb to express gratitude or to recognize the value of something. 3. Cherish. This verb is used when you care for something or someone very deeply. 4. Adore. This is a strong verb used to express extreme fondness or love for someone or something. On the flip side, we also have verbs for negative emotions. These are verbs you can use to express feelings of sadness, anger, disappointment, and so on. 1. Resent. This verb is used when you feel bitter or upset because of something that you think was unfair. 2. Despise. This verb expresses a deep dislike or hatred for someone or something. 3. Regret. You use this verb when you feel sorry or sad about a situation or an action that has happened. 4. Fear. This verb is used when you are afraid of something. Now, it's time for some practice. Try to form sentences using these verbs. For example, I admire her for her determination, or he regrets not studying for the exam. Practicing is the best way to get comfortable with using these verbs in your conversations. And that's a wrap. We've covered a lot of ground today, from common verbs used to express emotions to specific ones for positive and negative feelings. Remember, using these verbs effectively in your communication can add a depth and richness to your English speaking and writing. Keep practicing, keep learning, and soon these verbs will come naturally to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we will continue our exploration of describing people and emotions. Happy learning!